9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Beginning virtual work. Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
There goes Electron up and over the Mahia Peninsula and on its way to space once again for Synspective. Electron is now 43 seconds into flight, climbing nominally in both speed and altitude. Now our first milestone during this phase of flight will be when Electron passes through maximum aerodynamic pressure. That's the moment that the structural loads against the rocket are at their strongest on the way to space.
Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
Great call out there from Mission Control. That's a clean pass through max Q. Those 9 Rutherford engines on the first stage are throttling back up to full power. The vehicle is travelling at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. We now have less than a minute to go before we reach the end of the first stage burn.
Yes, the moment that those 9 Rutherford engines power down is what we call MECO, or main engine cutoff. That action takes place just ahead of Electron's second stage separation event, before the vacuum-optimised Rutherford engine on stage 2 lights up to continue the mission to orbit.
And we'll watch those moments live on our screen from the onboard camera feed. You should also hear the call-outs from Mission Control across the audio feeds. It will then come at you quick and fast, so let's listen in.
"15 seconds to staging.
Entered burnout detect mode.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed. Stage
Great
2
job
guidance.
there by Electron. That was a successful MECO, stage separation and second stage ignition at more than 90 kilometres above Earth. And that second stage Rutherford engine is performing nominally as we'd expect, powering the vehicle and its Strix satellite on board past more than 7,800 kilometres an hour. Otherwise, the next action to take place will be the separation and jettison of the Arrowhead fairing from Electron to expose Strix to space for the first time. Here goes.
Jettison confirmed.
Screen is the latest Strix satellite for Synspective. It's heading closer and closer to orbit to join the rest of the constellation in Leo. We've got just under 6 minutes of engine burn time through to second stage separation from the kick stage. Electron is now hitting speeds of more than 8,500 kilometers an hour.
Battery jettison confirmed.
Hop swap successful. Seco confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Just what we wanted to see and hear for Electron's kick stage and Strix, successfully in an elliptical orbit for the 8th time on board Electron.